In this section, we're going to see how to edit the header area. So at the moment we've got our logo over here and we've got our menu items. You've got this search icon here which we can remove, and the other thing we're going to do is we're going to add the contact phone number and email address so it's displayed across the top of each page. Now in order to do that, if we go to where it says my blog and we go to the back end, then we go down to DIVI, and if we go down to where it says theme customizer, we need to go to the heading and navigation section. So if you click on that, you'll see further options. So where it says header elements, go and click on that. Now as you can see at the moment we've got this search icon here. If you don't want that, just simply click here, and as you can see that's now gone. Something else you can do is add the phone number. So I'll just put a pretend phone number in there, and similarly I'll put an email in. So I've removed the search icon, I put a phone number in, and I've put an email in. So I click where it says publish and then come out of this. If I go to another browser, and that's what it did look like, if I refresh this, you can see the search icon has gone, and at the top of the page we've now got the phone number and the email address. So as you can see on other pages it's also available. So this is available on every single page. Now click on blog, click on contact us. So there's the phone number, there's email address, and we remove the search icon. So very straightforward, very simple to do.